Hi guys, it's me Ramay. So today the weather is quite nice, but still it's very cold out here. I mean the weather is really very cold out here. So last night, a lot of snowfall happened. You can clearly see, but still the weather is really nice. I really love sunny weather. When I was back in Hong Kong, I do not I mean, thank. I was never thankful for the sunny weather. I always want to. Have some kind of raining weather, cold weather. But when I really have the cold weather, then I I mean, start mourning, and then really, trying to say that I need a sunny weather. A human, a person is always ungrateful. To the God. Now in Korea, I have one of the most harsh, coldest weather ever in my life. Now I want the sunny weather. Back in Hong Kong, I have the sunny weather. I always pray that I need a cold weather. But really, I love Hong Kong weather. I will never ever accept Korean weather. So I'm thinking maybe I should go back to Hong Kong just for the weather. Weather can be a big thing. In Korea, weather, winter, the weather is really, brutal, harsh. So now I'm going back to my class. So I'm late. I was just having lunch and a coffee with my wife. I'm 15 minutes late. So now let's go over to the class. So my class is there. Let me show you my class. To be honest with you, I really don't think so I can go to level 2. I'm just on level 1B. I passed my level 1A, but 1B is brutal hard. It's so hard that my brain stopped working at some point. 1B is in English we say we doing ing. Now we are learning the ing stuff in Korean grammar, which is like brutal hard for me.